Good morning, guys. Waiting on some trades as of right now. I just got up, started looking at the chart, and we had just huge moves, very explosive moves on a majority of pairs, right? Especially the major pairs. So I've got my auto support and resistance indicator on here that will automatically plot support and resistance. And what I'm looking, I've already looked at a handful of pairs, but what I'm looking for out of this one is I'm looking for a price to turn around and go back to being bearish, right? So it is listed as the best selling pair here by the multi-time frame or by the Forex scanner. So I'm just gonna wait for maybe one or two candles to close. I'm looking for that pattern that I show you guys a lot, where price comes, it's headed in one direction, makes a low, pulls back, and then as it starts to come back down, I'll look for the trade. And so something you can do while looking for something like that is you can like break out your fibs, things like that. Here, let me scoot them over. Oh, I was like, wait. Okay. So, right, you can pull them back like this, and then that way, if you see price like so far, this is the New York session high, right there. It's right around the 38, right? Or maybe it creates a new high, right, for the New York at 50% of this pullback, right? And so if it comes up to there, for me, that's even better because it will turn like neutral, right? So you can see my TVblast bars down here. It will go neutral like it is right this very second on this candle, and then I'll be able to look for a new red signal, and I'll be able to look for NZD switching back over, right? So um, yeah, I've missed a lot of the moves today, so I guess today's a good example of just being patient, waiting for the right setup, kind of anticipating something based on something you've seen before, and then we'll take our trades. So I'll come back here in just a little bit. Hey, just checking back in with you guys. So yeah, I missed the first push back down, but we would not have been able to take that trade anyways, because remember what we're looking for is a new TV blast signal. And let me just, I've been meaning to do this. Oh, wrong one here. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I've been meaning to do this because it's a little easier to see when it's brighter. Okay, so this red right here, you can see it turned red and the candle had already hit the previous low. So same pattern that I'm looking for, yes, but it had already hit the low, so that we wouldn't have been able to use that one. I'm now waiting for the same thing right here, right now. And so what you'll do is you'll see it turn red here first, and then if the candle closes in, in those conditions, it'll turn red right here, and then I'll take the trade. So we're still just waiting right now. All right, quick update just to show you guys. See, this is what I'm talking about. If it closes right now, if it was to close right this second, it would be red, right? And so again, let me change this. I was trying to do this whole green thing, but it makes a lot more sense this way. So, 1 second. Let me drag this down. Okay, and so yeah, you can see the red dot right here. So if this candle closes in 1 minute like this, then we've got a signal we can go in on. Now this candle, I can already tell just by looking at it, candle's a little too small. So we'll see how it looks when it ends, when it closes. And we're most likely gonna have to match ATR, which would give if it closes right here right now, which I might just go ahead and take it so that I can guarantee that we're good. Yeah, I'll do that. Let me do 5.2. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. The candle's about to close, so I'm not worried. The main thing that I want to make sure of is that my setup fits between here and here with a stop loss matching ATR. So like that. 5.2. Can't see. Okay, we're in. And okay, so we did not get the red dot, but it was I mean, it was right there. So I'm good with it. Main thing anyways that brought my attention to this was not a red dot. It was NZDUSD was the sell signal, and we had that push down. I was looking for that pattern. So we'll see what ends up happening. We'll see what happens with this one. All we got to do is just drop right down to here and we're good to go. Hey, you guys, just came back to the desk and I seen that we just about hit take profit. So I would have personally I would have closed the trade, but since I did not, I'm just gonna break even on it. We've got Halloween today here, and so the kids are like getting kind of dressed up to for school and things like that. So I'm like bouncing between computer and helping them. So yeah, I would have normally closed the trade. You know, when I get about this close, I like to just close the trade and take my money. So since I didn't do that, I'm gonna break even. Look, we might get the chance right here. Boom, we're out. All right, so just like that, that was an easy one, you guys. So hopefully these videos are helping you guys see what I'm looking for every day. It's been a kind of busy week for me. What is today, anyways? It's Tuesday. Okay, so I've already done a little bit of trading. I just haven't had a chance to like hop on here, get the recordings done, get them edited. I have 2 other videos I plan on uploading from the last 2 days, but I'll do that. They're a lot longer, and I kind of like was back and forth between the charts, and then one of them whatever happened, it didn't record the end. So if I can salvage those, I'll get those uploaded. I'm at 0.76 for today. For the week, 2.21%. This is straight from my platform, right? So looking good already by Tuesday. I do want to do some more trading today, but I got to get these kids off to school. So once the kids are off to school, then I'll come back, shoot another video, and get them uploaded. So I'll talk to you guys then.